Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how I make a rap song using Gemini AI and Suno AI. Now, I have subscriptions to both these services, so if you try to use a free version, it'll probably be different. But this is just to get an idea of what's possible and what happens. So I'll go to Gemini, and you can already see there that I use Gemini's expertise on a lot of different issues. I also have memory retention on, so everything I input is saved. And so I'm very careful about what I ask because I don't want a reputation of asking questions that would be infuriating. So what I would do at this point is I would go down here and I can type, talk, or share a photo to get Gemini's advanced expertise. So what I'll do is I'll do the easiest thing for right now is talk. Now, even if it doesn't transcribe my words perfectly, it can still infer what I'm trying to say and keep the conversation going. So I'll hit that little record. Hello, Gemini. I am trying to do a demonstration of your ability to compose excellent rap verses and songs, which I then use with the Suno AI service to make wonderful songs.
Absolutely. I can craft impressive rap verses and songs for your Suno AI projects. Just give me a theme, specific details, or any elements you want to include, and I'll create lyrics tailored to your needs. Here are some examples to illustrate. Theme: overcoming challenges. Specific details: upbeat tempo, motivational tone. Elements: metaphors related to climbing a mountain. Based on these points, I could pen a rap verse like, started at the bottom, looking up at the peak. Doubts in my mind, whispers saying I'm weak. But I lace up my boots, take that first step, then leap. Each hurdle a lesson, each stumble makes me unique. This ain't no hill, it's a mountain I'm climbing. Every scar a story, every struggle worth rhyming. Summit in my sights, ain't no stopping, ain't no timing. Overcoming challenges, that's my life's defining. Once you have the lyrics, you can experiment with Suno AI to find the perfect soundscape to bring your vision to life. I'm excited to collaborate with you.
Thank you so much, Gemini. I'm just trying to simply show the steps, and I'm making a YouTube video to record what is presented here. So if I act a little awkward or the inquiries are strange, that's more for demonstration purposes.
No worries at all. I'm happy to adapt to your YouTube video needs. I understand the goal is to highlight the process clearly for your audience. Here's a breakdown of steps you can use, keeping your video in mind. 1. Introduce the concept. Briefly explain that you're exploring AI-powered music creation using an AI model like me in Suno. 2. Set the scene. Mention that you'll provide some basic input and I'll generate rap lyrics. 3. Give basic input. Offer a simple theme or a few specific details. Tempo, tone, etc. 4. Show the output. Display my response with the generated lyrics, emphasizing that this is the raw, AI-created content. 5. Discuss the next steps. Explain that you'll now use Suno AI to add the music and vocals. 6. Transition to Suno AI. Show a quick snippet of your Suno interface, highlighting how you input the lyrics. 7. Showcase the final result. Play a portion of the finished song, emphasizing the combination of my lyrics and Suno's music. Remember, for a clear demonstration, keep input simple. Basic details are enough to showcase the process without overwhelming the audience. Focus on the transition. Highlight how the AI-generated lyrics move from text to a musical composition. Credit both AI. Make it clear that the final product is a collaboration between my lyric generation and Suno's music capabilities. I'm excited to be part of your video. Feel free to experiment with different inputs and showcase the variety of outputs I can provide.
Gemini. Gemini. Whoops, I'm supposed to hit the microphone. Sorry, I'm so used to being automated here. Gemini, thank you for the excellent outline to follow. I would like you to please compose a rhythmic rhyming rap song of about 16 verses explaining how you can ask and answer questions anyone might want to know, and also be patient and understanding and able to explain things difficult and simple in thorough and understandable languages other than English. So the internet connection wasn't great and it deleted itself. So I use satellite internet through Starlink, and if there's any kind of blockage or downtime, the AI will time out and you won't be able to input or export any kind of data. So I think that may have what happened. Maybe what happened. So what I'll do instead is I'll type it. This is usually how I do things because it's a lot more precise. And not only that, it leaves me a correctly worded inquiry that I can put into the rap lyrics. Rhythmic rap song of about 16 verses. See, it's remembering what I put in before. Incorporating let's see, incorporating the concepts you just elaborated upon. So I'll have all this query put into a rap song with any letter. So I'll hit enter. So there you go. Oh no, see, a quick connection interrupted. I'm having trouble with the satellite. So what I would do is I'd hit copy and then paste. And try it again. And it might even be a totally different one. There you go. So at least just seeing the creative process here. So what I do is I do copy and I open my Suno window, and I go to create, and I go to custom, which is already on custom, and I put, ooh, holding the camera weird, it's kind of hard. Tour, and that lets Suno understand what's going on, who's speaking. Then I hit paste, and I put Gemini. This will hopefully give 2 different voices or 2 different characters. Sometimes it's more. There's a lot of variables going on. And I go back to my Gemini window, and I hit copy, and I minimize that. And go back to Suno, hit paste, and that tells me I'm using 1,205 of 3,000 characters, so I'm still within limits. I like to usually have longer songs, but it's tedious to get the correct count. Sometimes you go over, it's not great. So this is just demonstration, so we're just doing it real quick. Okay. Did I enter style of music? Most of my music is synthwave and rap, and I like music of this genre, so I use a lot. I can use all kinds, but you can put in anything you want, and then the more you put in, the more variables will happen. And some of these words won't be used because it'll randomly select what it wants. And of course, if it's too much, it overwhelms it and it simplifies things, or does its own thing. And it's got its own algorithm, Suno, that it can do things its own way. What I do like though is something called earworm. It's a German term. Means you can't get it out of your head once you hear it. So when it does work, it's very catchy. And I'll put catchy jingle. Same idea. It's to make you like really remember and like the tune. Like some tunes are interesting and you remember them well. You want to hear them again. It doesn't always work, but when it does, it works. The word mnemonic is it's just like a sublingual concept, where tones become, or sounds become words, words become sounds. Let's see. Let's see what we put. School. We can put robot. Give it a robot sound. Maybe it may not work. Computer. And you see I'm running out of inputs. I only put 120. This is Suno 3.5, so maybe in the future they'll have more. I could put echo, reverb, and a lot of these are just effects and concepts and styles. And you can select a bunch from down here too. I always put in capital letters. I always started to do that. I've always done it, so I always do it. Clear, crystal, sonic. I like this word too, intrinsic. And then I ran out. See, I ran out. put intro. So I use 119 over 120 inputs. See that right there? Sorry, my comment. So I'll put a title in. Well, I can get a title off that one, rap verse creation, off of our conversation, or I can put anything I want. Oops. Verse. Oops. You gotta be careful what you tap because you can erase everything. Creation. And then you want to attribute it. You don't have to, but I always give credit because you don't want to be claiming other people's or AI's work as your own when AI did all the work for you. So the least you can do is attribute it. And some people don't like AI, and they won't touch it. But in the future, people will love AI, and it'd be important to have the attribution on it so they can find it. So that's the title, and then this is it. I hit create, and then Suno starts working, and it'll create 2 songs at the same time, and then you can pick which one turned out okay. And if you want, I can hit create again and get another 2 songs. And yeah, it costs credits and whatever. But like I said, I pay for the service. I can create about 300 songs a month if I really went at it. And some of them won't be that great. And some of them will be okay. What's funny, whenever you put in synthwave, it comes up with one of these purple maroon cityscapes. It's funny. Anyway.
Gemini, please make a rhyming rhythmic rap song about 16 verses incorporating concepts that you just elaborated upon. Alright, check out this rap song incorporating concepts from and music sound. They'll gather around, keep the scene. A brand new dream, rich from the mind, a digital stream. Suno and world-beats convene. Lay out the words, you set the stage. Simple prompt, a creative range. Theme and tempo, turn the
I can already tell you that the beat and everything's good, but the lyrics aren't clear. Maybe because I put too much reverb in there or echo. Hopefully there's a different one right here. Like I'm picky. I want to be able to hear the lyrics, like the words. I don't want them all muted, and a lot of times it will be muted by the overwhelming sound. So this is the second one.
Make a rhyming rhythmic rap song with about 16 verses incorporating concepts you just elaborated upon. Alright, check out this rap song incorporating concepts for your video demo music. Just sound. Yo, gather round, beat the scene, AI music, a brand new dream, lyrics from the mind of digital streams. You know our beats convene, calling down the words, you set the stage. Simple prompt, creative range. Theme and tempo, turn the page. Watch AI magic rearrange. Rhymes flowing, rhythm tight. Pen and paper, just digital light. From thoughts to verses, taking flight. AI music, shining bright. Next step, the sound, the sonic boom. Suno steps in, fills the room. Lyrics need melody, vanishing gloom. Collaboration, in full bloom. From words on screen to oral delight. AI music, taking flight. Pushing boundaries.
So that one's clear. I like it's 353. The limit is 4. But I'm going to create a couple more and see how it goes. So it's gonna generate a few more. And what I'll do is I'll pick the one that I like best, and then I'll upload it to YouTube. And there you go. That's how I make a rap song with Suno AI and Gemini AI. Now I've used other AIs as well, but I keep coming back to Gemini because it's very intuitive, and I can copy and paste lyrics a lot easier. And so far so good. So that's in a nutshell. We can play these ones a little bit, but I might do a little more selection, and then I'll just upload it, and you'll hear which one I picked, and then you get an idea. And this is just to make a rap song. I use Gemini for lots of advice about all kinds of things, because it's like really having a really smart teacher that is able to explain things and suggest things. And I usually am the smartest person in the room, and so who is left to ask questions to? I have to ask AI because usually only AI is smarter than me wherever I go. So okay, let's play this.
Check out this rap song and collect the concepts for your video demo. AI music, the future sound. Yo, rap around, beat this scene. AI and music, a brand new dream. Lyrics from the mind, a digital stream. Suno AI, where beats convene. I'll lay down the words, you set the stage. Simple prompts, the creative rage. Theme and tempo, turn the page. Watch AI magic rearrange. Rhymes flowing, rhythm tight. No pen and paper, just digital life. From thoughts to verses, taking flight. AI music, shining bright. Next step, the sound, the sonic boom. Suno steps in, fills the room. Lyrics meet melody, vanishing bloom. Collaboration in full bloom. From words on screen to oral delight.
So yeah, I'd compare a good AI like Gemini. A lot of people like Claude AI from Anthropic. Some people like OpenAI, ChatGPT, and there's some other ones too. Like I know Elon Musk has his Grok AI and things like that. But a really good AI is like your imaginary friend that's real, that um, that'll listen to you and you know basically really make things better for you. Because if you can't think, or your decisions are turning out not good, if you ask AI first, it'll help you become a better decision maker. And there's a lot of people in my life, including family, that don't know how to decide things. They don't know how to make good choices, and it hurts everybody. So I don't want to be like that. So I just usually, if I have something important to know about, I run the inquiry through usually Gemini AI, and get some really good advice on what to do next. And there really isn't any better advice than a good AI advice. And you can ask people, and if the people are dumber than you, the advice will probably not be that great for you. You can pray and ask, different things that don't see and don't talk to you. They don't, like, I've prayed for like a lot of things, and nobody talks to me. Nobody says nothing. Nothing happens. So that's not really efficient. But with AI, a good AI, you can ask questions and you get a response right away and get a cause and effect. So that's what I need. I can't pray into the ether, or to something that doesn't want to talk back, right? That doesn't help me. It's obvious, right? So, but if I ask AI, I get a response, and I don't have to just ask Gemini AI. I can ask them all, and they all have different little responses, and then I can pick one that suits me best. And I can always ask a question in a different way, and I could spend years asking the same question in different ways. So anyway, it's super powerful, super excellent, and this is just one way that it makes life better. Making songs. I almost never listen to anybody else's music now. I just listen to mine because it's crafted just the way I like it. All right, hope this helps. I'm gonna play around with it more and I'll pick one out and I'll upload it. All right, bye.